Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again, also known as CR. And this is a special mail call from Wes.S. Now I won this giveaway from Wes.S over on his channel. I'll put a link in the description down below and an end screen to the channel. And basically I won a bug out bag. Survival type of bag with contents within it. Now I want to say a special thanks to Wes.S here and Mrs. Wes.S too. I appreciate you guys taking the time to do that giveaway and taking the time to ship this one to me and the shipping cost and all that stuff. I really do appreciate it, Wes.S. I appreciate it very much. Now, he wrote this kind of message to me, which I'll paraphrase. Basically, because he had to ship it over the border, some of the items couldn't come or be shipped, but a good majority of it came. So I do appreciate it, Wes.S. I really do. And yes, at the end it says, use it well. Much love, Wesley. Thank you very much. He also wrote this in one of the notepads right here. If you're reading this, you want the Wes Bomb. Now you use it to learn how to stay alive and don't die. Love, Wes. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Has a sternum or chest strap. I'm pretty sure these are reflective. It's got a primary and a secondary pocket, side pockets, and a little pocket right here, mesh pocket, notepad, and a Right in the Rain notepad, which I've never had one of these, so that's awesome that I can try this out. Maybe put a sheet or two somewhere to use. Sleeping bag. Not sure what it's rated for. It's quite small for what it is. A 9x6 tarp. Roll of jute twine. Roll of tarred nylon type of cordage. I'm pretty sure this is similar or like bankline. 113 pounds or 51.2 kilogram tensile strength. It's about 249 feet. 3 orange, pink, and a grayish type of color 9 LED lights. They all have batteries inside and they all do work. Contractor bag or 55-gallon type of garbage bag. Emergency rain poncho. Mylar emergency reflective space blanket. 4 mouse traps. And some rubber bands around them. Metal water bottle. I believe this is maybe 750 mil, maybe a liter, not sure. A cooking pot, mesh, and within it there's one lid, and within this container there's another cooking vessel with handles too. Coffee filters in a baggie. Little baggie of, I think there's sugar, instant coffee. I think this is a black tea. An emergency food ration from UST, Ultimate Survival Technology. 2,400 calories. Expires May of 2021. 5 pop-up towels. A yellow container with a lid that contains some foam, some fishing lines, some more fishing stuff, hooks, sinkers. I think there's some swivels in here too. Some weights and all that stuff. Nice container. I'm pretty sure this is like paper towel or something like that. Of course, I could use that as for like TP, for example. Came in a plastic container, and within that came this large needle. A sewing kit to go with that needle. There's some thread, a tape measure, scissors, a few common buttons, safety pin, insect repellent. I believe these are, yeah, these are the towel wet ones. Contains 2. I got 4 of them. Some cloth type of tape. This might be medical tape. Not quite sure. Got a roll of it right here. It's white. Toothpaste, toothbrush, nail clippers, 1 green comb, a baggie that has alcohol wipes, dust mask, some bandages, butterfly bandages in here too, and it contains some gloves to use. Fork, knife, spoon, 3 tea light candles, magnesium fire starter, that's the ferro rod, striker, chain, ferro rod, folding stove, has solid fuel tablets inside in a baggie, a charring tin for char cloth and stuff, for char punkwood. There's a piece of flint, a file, and some char cloth in there already. A straw, and the Sawyer mini water filtration system. The syringe, and the little squeeze water bottle. Of course, this fits over top of right here. So water filtration, water. And there was also an additional tool and a cutting tool. And that cutting tool is really awesome. I love it. And yes, it does strike a ferro rod. This cloth bag. So I want to say special thanks to Wes.S for this package. And I appreciate it. And look forward to using some of it. Some of the gear. And adding it towards some of the kids' bags and such that I already currently have. Thank you very much, Wes.S. And stay tuned in the future, because you actually might see some of this stuff reappear in different kits and stuff like that. So as the world changes, so must oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video from me, it's peace out from CR. Later.